Welcome to my channel and a very good morning. It is first May Workers' Day and पहली तारीख आ गई है. खुश है ज़माना सारा, पहली तारीख है. Oh my god, there is this electrical shocks which are coming from my tap in the bathroom and the kitchen. So on the society's WhatsApp they had posted this. Now the tenant who's next to me is such an idiot lady because my English was so hi-fi and I don't normally post. So she's like, I'm confirming this. Her owner posted it, and then when I said something, she said, I'm confirming thing. And I said it's a freaky and scary experience because I can write in English and I can really write well. So she's messaging me which floor you are from, which wing you are from. Now she did it purposely. She very well knew that I'm the neighbor. If I'm giving you the same experience, means I'm your next door neighbor. The minute you are an owner and you are writing in good English, I don't go showing off myself, right? You are a tenant, you better remain in your limits. Now she's frightened. I said all this while I didn't take any action. मैंने बोला बूढ़े और ऐसे लोगों को I क्या मैं मुँह लगूँ? That also they don't have any manners. I said forget it then. Right, no? She was like scared because अपनी मनमानी करती रहती थी. She and a mother. You are a tenant. आज हो कल नहीं हो. We are owners. We are going to be there forever. Can you see this? It's because, okay, now people ask me yesterday I used, which shampoo did I use? Dabur Ayurvedic shampoo. Today I used on my head Godrej Kakai soap, and before that I applied Nivea lotion on this, and then the soap and the shampoo, which is all clear rice water shampoo. So that's how I got this effect. Whenever you're washing with soap, your hair will become very dry. So the next should be your shampoo because that smoothens out the strands, kind of a thing. The watchman is sleeping because they do double duty. फिर यहाँ पर भी जॉब करेंगे, फिर कहीं और पर भी जॉब करेंगे. That's how they survive in this city. See, I'm getting excellent results is because when you will get excellent result from your hair products when you don't have a hair fall. The minute you have a hair fall means there's something wrong with the product or something wrong with you. And I'm using multiple products. I'm not even saying, oh, I'm using only herbal. Yes, they're all mild shampoos, but they are different products. And those different products I am mixing and matching. Sometimes I'll be having something else on my hair and then I'll be using it. I hope you understand. So this is the kind of effect you'll get. If you don't have a hair fall means you are healthy and the product is suiting you. Generally go in for mild shampoos, mild, not too much of chemicals, not too much of milder. Though they have chemicals, but they are on like 50% less. And using different products. Today is that patron saint, Saint Joseph's. Um, Day. He was a carpenter, right? Jesus' foster father. Labor Day. Mistri. I got lots of, because I had combed my hair and I did not comb my hair. I just dried it and I tied it into a bun. So it was like this. I don't know. I'm much like yesterday. My face was literally glowing. And today I'm fresh, but I'm not in my elements. Is that the right word? Oh God, why are people spreading propaganda? There's this lady who shifted from my building and she was like, don't post what? Something on social media, not to speak against Modi government. I said, वो भगवान बन गया है क्या? What's up? मतलब they can do whatever they want. मतलब country उनकी और हम लोग क्या outsiders है? कुछ भी तो भी. I said, stop spreading propaganda, fear mongering, and disinformation. It doesn't work out like this. Maybe she's a member of BJP or something like that. दिस संडे आई विल पुट बिरयानी का वो डाल दूंगी मैं बिरयानी लवर्स के लिए. मैं भी देखती हूँ. You know, it's all politics. People who were totally opposite me are showing their support to me right now. Yeah, when the status matters, no? When you are on the higher status, तो support भी आ जाता है. Even to comb, I'm exhausted. Actually, I'm exhausted today. Maybe that hair bath is really exhausting because 2 sessions of shikakai soap. Twice I had to wash it. Twice, thrice. Then shampoo wash. So it's like a 20 minutes, more than 20 minutes, almost half an hour. No, 20 minutes. It's exhausting me like anything. And from here to here, 1.5 kilometers. Empty stomach. I'm exhausted, just so exhausted. It's actually smelling like shikakai. Whatever. Okay, I'll show you all my bangles of the day. My bangles of the day. I just love them. These are one of my favorites, and they're literally beautiful. So I just love them. And these are the earrings. It's for the look of the day. मेरा मन कर रहा है ना, मैं यहीं पे ऐसे शवासन करूँ ऑन दिस ग्रास. सीरियसली ऐसे just like जैसे फिल्मों में दिखाते ना, like ऐसे they just roll on the grass like this. I want to roll on the grass at the moment. Literally, it's so tempting to do that. Nothing like nature. I think I'll have to do conditioner also because it has become this. So maybe my next session will be conditioning my hair, oiling and conditioning. That I'll do after 2 days or so. But the scalp has to be clean because these days, all the sweating and all that. So whenever you're doing any treatment, it's ideally better you wash your hair and then apply whatever you'll have to. Because my yesterday I had washed my hair, so it was pretty clean, the scalp. Unless and until you all are doing artificial hair color and your hair is dirty and then you all are applying hair color, because uh, it's chemical, so it doesn't directly affect your this, and you will get a better finish. Artificial hair colors like Garnier and whatever, whichever hair color you all are doing, it is ideally better to do it on a dirty hair. You all will be getting better effect of it. But she said such a thing. This is a inside trick. It needs something to hold on to, so that hold on to all that dirt which is there on our scalp and hair, and when you wash it off, you will get a better effect of it. Because if it is on the washed hair, then it will not give you that effect. Now henna is natural, okay? So your scalp has to be clean to apply that. Got it, no? I could have used a conditioner, but then it becomes too much. The conditioner, the lotion, the soap, the shampoo. Then you should be using 2 or 3 products. If I'm oiling my hair, then I'm using a soap, Shikakai soap, and then a shampoo. Then the next day it should be conditioned. Or you've oiled your hair, or you can apply conditioner on it and keep it like covered for like half an hour, and then do a shampoo. You'll still get a better effect. Two a combination of 2 products, but you should know how to use it. पीपल डोंट हैव दिन जैसे हमारे पास टाइम किधर है, गप्पे लड़ाने के लिए टाइम है ना, अननेसेसरी जंक फूड खाने के लिए टाइम है, बट यू ऑल डोंट हैव टाइम टू इन्वेस्ट इन योर सेल्व्स. क्या मतलब बनता है? डोंट व्हेन पीपल से ना आई डोंट हैव टाइम, सो आई सेड इट्स बेटर यू त्याग दो अपने अपने आप को इफ यू डोंट हैव टाइम. At least I'll tell you, most of us are doing 90-95% is mindless activities. And when they see people who are relaxed, is because yes, I've cut down on a lot of unnecessary activities. I don't go and waste my time um, scattering my energy here and there. It is completely invested in myself. आज हिम्मत ही नहीं हो रही है मेरी. 8 बज गए. आई मस्ट ईट समथिंग. Is it because I'm eating food grains or something because of that? I have no idea. It's a good mix of hair. This it looks nice because I wanted to have that dual tone. So my next thing will be like it will look different. It will look brownish. So I wanted to have that dark brownish kind of look. So maybe I will do that. My henna application. So maybe next week my hair color will look a little more different. It will look more dark brown kinds. That's the effect which I want on my hair. So it will be dark brown. I don't like very black. So let's see. I'm feeling very. I don't know why I'm feeling this. जब किसी पर्सन का अंत आता है ना तो ऐसे वो बोलते हैं ना विपरीत बुद्धि विनाश काल क्या बोले विनाश काल में विपरीत बुद्धि होती है. दिस इज़ व्हाट द गवर्नमेंट इज़ डूइंग. कुछ करना धरना तो है नहीं. अनपढ़ गवारों का सरकार है. सो दे विल नाउ दे टू कवर अप देयर क्राइम्स दे विल बी शटिंग डाउन पीपल हु आर स्पीकिंग द ट्रूथ वट एवर. ऐसे भी मीडिया इज़ नथिंग बट अ बुलशिट. सो व्हाटएवर. मैंने बोला लिसन स्वीटी. यू फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच पैसे पहले भी नहीं थी और अभी भी नहीं है. द अमाउंट ऑफ चेकिंग दे कीप डूइंग. All the content is checked. It is not that they will be checking. It is totally checked. I don't know about the WhatsApp. I don't know what people do on that. About none of my business what they this, but social media is nonetheless monitored. Nonetheless. I think I'll wind up. I'm getting very tired, so I'll just wind up.